Hello, welcome to my Tuesday forecast. So let's get started with the euro and the US dollar. What we had in the prior price action, we had a huge range, so descending into ascending structures. Then we got this ascending structure, then a huge impulse to the downside. And I was looking for a continuation right here because I wanted to get in on this impulse. So we did get a bump, but I didn't take it because, well, it was spread hours, so I couldn't take it. And then after spread hours, I set my pending order, but I didn't get tagged in. So price just went down without me. And then I removed the pending order because we were too far from the entry and I didn't want it to retrace back up. It was a good bump for me, so it did fit my plan. We did have this big wick and then a large retrace, but we did get a little range right here, so it did fit my plan, but I didn't get tagged in. It would have been a loss if I had taken it because it went up. So we did actually have a small descending in this structure and then a push up, which we expected. So we are currently not in any of this price action, and I'm waiting for price to move away from the structure. But what I can forecast is that we will continue ranging between the low and the high. I'll be staying out of that price action. I would like to see an impulse to the upside, then I would look for a continuation, or I would also like to see an impulse to the downside, something like this. And I will also look for a continuation. So yeah, currently waiting for an impulse. Let's move over to the Aussie. The Aussie is looking range bound to me. We have this descending channel into an ascending impulse down, and then we get this ascending channel inside of the impulse. We broke the high, retraced, broke the low, retraced. So currently I am expecting just a range right here. Let me just put the lines. So expecting a range, and what I can forecast is that we just stay ranged between the low and the high. I would like to see an impulse to the downside, and then I would look for a continuation, or I would like to see an impulse to the upside. I would look for a continuation trade. It all depends on how the impulse occurs and how the pullback looks like, but I want the price action to move away from this structure because this is just ranging price action. So nothing on the Aussie, nothing on the Euro currently, waiting for an impulse on both pairs. So that's it for the forecast, and I will see you in the Wednesday forecast.